Hello there, and welcome back to our online channel. Today, we're diving into a rather intriguing and possibly a bit unsettling subject matter, the concept of a dark system and how it might shape our lives in various ways. However, don't worry, we're here to take on this idea with a thoughtful and responsible approach, rather than getting lost in the shadows. So, precisely what does it mean to talk about a dark system? To our knowledge, and in many different situations, it generally refers to the hidden structures and complicated processes that can significantly influence our daily lives in numerous ways that may be invisible to us. For instance, imagine social media algorithms that continuously curate our feeds, or the hidden biases that influence the decision-making processes in various domains. These elements may significantly shape our daily perceptions, choices, even our relationships with others. It can be quite easy to feel overwhelmed or even powerless when one is aware of these hidden systems that influence our lives. However, understanding and exploring them is the fundamental first step toward empowerment. Knowledge is an incredibly powerful tool. By recognizing how these systems function, we can make more well-informed decisions and actively advocate for necessary change. Let's take a brief moment to reflect on the significance of transparency and accountability in these systems. When we demand what is hidden or unknown, we not only protect ourselves, but also contribute to a more equitable society. Ultimately, it's all about fostering an environment where everyone has a voice, can make their mark, and actively participate in shaping the systems that govern our lives. As we progress through this very complex landscape, please remember that you're not necessarily alone. There is a wealth of communities and resources out there dedicated to raising awareness, inspiring positive change, and advocating for equitable systems. Engaging with these groups can provide you with valuable support and amplify your personal impact. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the intriguing concept of dark systems. We hope this discussion sparks your curiosity and encourages you to think critically about the influence these systems have on your daily life and to seek out increased knowledge and supportive communities. If you found this video engaging, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more insightful content in the future. Together, we can shine a light on the underlying dark forces and create a brighter and more equitable future for all. Take care, and hope to see you next time.